it's green time, and for green time, we're gonna be playing a rhyming game. I'm gonna hold up 2 picture cards and you guys get to tell me if they rhyme. Does hose and mop rhyme? No way, no way. What about mop, top? Do those rhyme? That rhymes, that rhymes. What about nose, hose? That rhymes, that rhymes. Can you guys think of any more rhyming words? For this next part of green, we need Mr. Lion. Can you guys call him? Mr. Lion. Oh, hi friends, hi. Hey, Mr. Lion. Hi, Miss Indyca. All right, Mr. Lion, I'm gonna ask you to say a word, and then my friends are going to listen to see if you're saying the entire word. You guys, I think Mr. Lion is forgetting to say the beginning of his words today. Can you listen and tell me which sound he's missing? All right, Mr. Lion, say J. A. Did you guys hear what sound Mr. Lion forgot? J, J. Mr. Lion, can you say hey, A? Did you guys hear what sound he forgot? Hey. Mr. Lion, can you say A? Did you guys hear? S. Mr. Lion, can you say lay, A? Did you guys hear what sound he forgot? Oh, good job listening, friends. We are going to do Kitten is hiding again today for our finger play. So can you guys make a chair with your hand? And your thumb is gonna be a kitten. A kitten is hiding under a chair. I looked and looked for her everywhere. Under the table and under the bed. I looked in the corner, and that's when I said, come kitty, here's milk for you. Kitty came running and calling, meow, meow. For this part of green, we're going to talk about capital letters and lowercase letters. Do you guys remember that capital letters always begin at the beginning of sentences? It's always the first letter. It's also the first letter in your name. What letter is this? I. And I says I. Can you point to the capital letter? Which I is capital? Yeah, capital I. And which I is a lowercase? Yes, a lowercase. Let's do one more. This is the letter K. K says K. And which K is capital? That's right. Which K is a lowercase? There you go. Can you look at a magazine later today and circle all of the capital letters you can find? For our last part of green, you guys are gonna need your pre-decodable book called The Farm. Do you guys see any capital letters in that title? Yeah, the T is capital and the F is capital. The Farm. What do you think this book is going to be about? The farmer. The farmer is at the farm. The horse is at the barn. The last page, the farm. What kind of animals live on the farm? Cows, the horse, and what does the farmer drive around on the farm? Yeah, the tractor. That's what kind of vehicle he uses on the farm. Save this book because we're going to use it again tomorrow.